Hi guys, it's Jay with Earthly Kisses coming today making a new soap. This is a Bastille recipe with added carrot powder and aloe vera powder for some extra silkiness because I am not using clay in this soap. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for coming by and seeing what I'm up to. Don't forget to hit subscribe before you go and hit the bell so you can be notified of all my new content. If you're an old subscriber, thanks so much for coming back and chilling out with me for a little bit while we make some soap. I hope everybody is having a blessed and fabulous day. I'm not going to be doing much talking in this video. I'm just going to play DJ for a while and let you guys listen to some fabulous music that I found for you. But don't worry about the powders discoloring the soap too much. It will turn the batter a little bit darker, but overall it did not affect the end result of the soap. So thanks again for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will chat with you guys at the cut. Ta-ta for now.
It's a beautiful madness inside my soul, and I can't stop thinking of you. Walking on the lonely avenue. Are you, are you, are you my love so wild? Please give me a sign. My love so wild. Please give me, baby. My love so wild. Please give me a sign. My love so wild. Please give me a sign.
Again, my impatience has gotten the better of me. I have demolished the ends of my soap, but I figured I was going to have a problem getting it out of the mold. This is mostly olive oil based soap, like a Castile soap. So I made this soap a week ago. Just took it out the mold today. It's still soft, which is fine. So let's get in here and see what it looks like. Super creamy. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's nice. That's rather lovely. Absolutely wonderful. This is oh goodness, what fragrance is this? Give me a minute, it'll come to me. Lily of the Valley, that's what it is. Can't remember. Doing too much. So this turned out rather lovely. Got some nice little swirly doos going on in there. Very nice. Very nice. Not complaining about the way that turned out at all. Nice subtle colors, which is what I was going for. Nice and soft. This soap is going to be super, 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 super wonderful for the skin because of the additives. That's an interesting one there. That's really nice. And I actually waited just the right amount of time to get it out of there and cut it. This is cutting wonderfully. Oh, beautiful. So shimmery. I'm telling you, I am digging these micas from Nurtures. Oh my goodness, they are wonderful. So pretty. I absolutely love it. Look at that one. Beautiful. So I hope you're having a great day wherever you are. I want to welcome all my new subscribers and say thank you to all my old subscribers for sticking around and hanging in there with me and encouraging me to come back to make more soapy videos. So pretty. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you like these soapy videos, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know what you like, let me know what you don't like. I just want to hear from you guys. I'd like to know what you think. Give me some feedback. Whatever improvements I need to make, I'm more than happy to do that for you. And I don't think I can cut this end. I don't think I can. But I'm going to wipe that part off. Don't like it. And that's the last one. So overall, I am loving the way this soap turned out. I cannot wait to try this out in the shower. I put some carrot powder in and some kaolin clay in, and Oh goodness, I can't think of what else. But this is so yummy. I have to check my notes. I'll write everything down. I have to check my notes, and I'll put it down in the description box below what additives I used. And once this is all cured up, I'll actually do a video, soaping video, as you see me. Just watch how it lathers and all that wonderful good stuff. Okay, so until the next video, thanks so much for coming out. God bless you. Good night and bye.